The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Deepak, Dan, Jim in San Diego. Good morning. Guys, we just missed our ES trade. This was our line in the sand. 42.74. Jeez. Seriously, just did it on this last 15-minute bar. Oh, there was news? Oh, that's it. Russia said to be ready to send delegation to Minsk, Belarus for talks with Ukraine. Okay. Well, good morning, Gerardo. Mimi, good morning. We just missed our long, guys, on this stupid news. 42.74. Target is 43.30. 43.30. Morning, Chris. Oh, that's a pisser. That was a 20-handle rip. We have had some bot trades this morning. The NASDAQ took 2 trades. A losing trade. Good morning, Becky. Blessings to you. A losing trade at 609 on a short. Then turned into a long at 633. Got both my targets. 16 handles and second target at 50. 50 handles. Good morning, Paul. Morning, David. So we've had 2 NASDAQ trades, a winner and a loser. And we have had 3 gold trades, all winners. Here is gold. Gold took the first short here at 624. Targets all hit. It took a long at 730 for a first target only. And then it just took this short here at 754. First target is off. We're moving down toward second and what would be final target for me. Currently, the bot is up 695 with the runner still on here in gold. So we'll see how that plays out. Yesterday was a rip of epic proportions. 6 and almost 7% move off the lows. I would expect the NASDAQ now to move into 14,183, and I'll go over charts in a bit. Yesterday afternoon was beyond phenomenal. Beyond. I mean, we tore them up. We may have done 6,000 yesterday afternoon. We tore them up, longs and shorts. If anybody in the room is wanting to join us beginning Monday for the afternoon session, you can send me an email. In any event, we're here. We'll see what we get today. It is Friday. Bots are off to a good start. Let me quickly read the disclaimer and then I'll go through my charts. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Morning, Patrick. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. You got 6 inches of snow? Gold got second target on the bot, guys, 61 ticks. The bot is now up 1,285 bananas. So here's the deal. I say this every day. Okay, Frank. I say this every day. You guys as traders now have to determine if you're up $1,200, assuming you're trading 3 contracts as I'm trading them. If you're up $1,200, do you turn the bots off or you leave them on? I can't answer that question for anybody. Yesterday we had a $3,500 day. We were at $4,800 for the week. We're now at just over $6,000 for the week. Do you keep running them? I don't know. I can't answer that. That's up to you guys. Let's check. Friday news. Garbage. And PCE deflator. Not pending home sales at 10. University of Michigan consumer confidence at 10. Nothing earth shattering. Good morning, Chuck. If you guys are in order flow class that met yesterday, I apologize, but I did not get the video out yesterday. Got to 3/4. We could pop back up to 7. Sellers are trying, but it's pre-market and they're slow. 170, 80. Come on, there's nothing here, fellas. Missed by 2 ticks. 2. Which torques my jaw. Should come to 01 before it finds some support. If we can break below 98, I'm going to target 90. See if I can do anything with that stop. Yeah, I'm going to move my stop down to 10. I got a 5-handle stop. I'm no pre-market trader. I hate it, generally speaking. Caleb, I have no idea, man. Where's my damn chart? I'd like to see us come back to 70. Yeah, 74, 75. I don't think it will. I think we're going to have a hell of a time getting below 98. This is why I like the NASDAQ. It just goes. This thing can't go the last 2 ticks. We do have a sequential decline. 5 ticks, 204, 140, 115, 42. Now they're selling some down here. Not many. 55 and 21. We really need sellers at 275 and 2.5. There's 70, 39. Not going to help us. I really need sellers at the bottom here. There it is. Look at this. 1 tick. 1 tick. Hit target, no fill. How about that? That's even better. Got it. It's too much work for me, guys, for 3 stinking handles. It really is just too much work. Everybody good? Let's see where 9/4 is. I mean, you can't get aggressive and come down to 7. But if you're going to do that, you might as well come down to 6/4. So we got 12 ticks. Right now, you'd be risking 6. Nice job, John. Goal met. He's done for the day. If we can get through that swing at 98.75, 89, 89 is where I'd like to get out. Call it 90. Pulled everything lower. I think we're going to bounce back up at least to 07. I'm at break even. I get it or I don't. I'm out of there. You can have it. If we can get up through this swing at 10/4, you probably want that long back into the high and potentially higher. 10/4 half. Any questions, fellas? Breakfast in about 3.5 minutes. Any questions? President Biden to nominate Ketanji Brown Jackson to fill Supreme Court vacancy. If confirmed, she'll be the first black woman to sit on the court. That blip just came through. Putin's and Lavrov's bank accounts in the EU will be frozen. Steve, it's in the members area. I turned crude on at 8:55. You've seen it for weeks and weeks. Russell comes on at 9:30. When in doubt, just go to the member area. This is why I'm saying, guys, tomorrow's education is almost a must for anybody that has purchased the bot within the last 2 months. I'm going to answer everyone's questions, go over the bot, talk about the bot. As I said, tomorrow it's at 9 o'clock. The link for registration is in the member area. The link for registration is in the member area. I encourage you to sign up. Now, if you're out of town or you can't make it, you have your kid's soccer game, I understand. But it's imperative because I get so many emails. Literally, I get 3 to 5 a day where people want me just to log into their computer to check settings. That doesn't sound like a lot, but Tuesdays and Thursdays, I have no break until 4 o'clock. And then I have a wife, and that's where I choose to spend my time. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Friday's obviously a half day, what I consider a half day. But Mondays and Wednesdays, I get a break. So I try to do them, when I can. But that's on the weekends. But I wanted to do education. I've been, the last 2 weekends I haven't been able to. Last weekend I was gone. Weekend before Dean did education. So I will be doing education tomorrow, 9 a.m. Now, again, if I get up in the morning and I have 9 guys signed up, I'm going to, I may just pass. It depends on who signs up. If it's members that have been around a while, I'm definitely not doing education. So let me take a break. Let me do this. Hang on 1 second, guys. Anybody else that would like to attend, you're free to attend. It's trade number 3. It's currently up $2,045 on the bot. You guys need to decide, do you keep running them? I will say it ad nauseum. Might give some back here. Guys, if we come into the open, we could pop up to 22, maybe 23. ES came into our support area. I would look for the long about 02 on the open. See what that lines up with. Yeah, I think we want to buy pullbacks. NASDAQ. Eesh. If NASDAQ breaks below 973, it could get smacked. Below 973. 10 seconds. There we go. Let them jockey around. Here's the bot. Yeah, boy, that's making a strong move down. I did not think we had a shot in hell of getting that second target. 57 handles? I really did not. We came right into yellow and we're bouncing. Boy, that came awfully close. 52 handle pullback, fellas. God almighty, it's going to get it. Come on, you rat dog. A little bit more. Oh, a little bit more. 46.75. I can't believe it. I did not think that had a shot. Bots are up 32.05. 32.05. All right, guys. Actually hit third target at 80 handles. Jeez. We're going to come lower as well. We're now coming into VWAP. We're going to try to tag VWAP. That's what it's looking like. 22 gave it some support. YM is bid. YM is bid. 33, 320, 25 area. It's bid. YM is bid. ES looks like it wants higher. NASDAQ is the laggard. Still 1,700 buyers, guys, so we're going to bounce. Long ES at 02. I'll try an 02 quarter long on the ES. First target 06. Target 106. Come on. Target 1 is off. 02 quarter to 06. Target filled. Pushing. Got to get. Okay, we got through. We need this swing here at 10 quarter. They're now buying the NASDAQ. There we go, fellas. 10 handle trade. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. See if we can get the high of the day. I really want 38 as a target. 38. We've pulled this up. We really need to push here to get to the high of the day and break that high of the day. Everybody good? Come on. We're pulling up. We could be setting up for a pullback in here, so I'm on the close. If we get through that previous 5 minutes, we're good. There it is. Come on, let's get that high of the day. We're going to pull back. Come on. I'm on the close, fellas. And I'm almost out. Got some sell. I'm out. I'll take it. 50, small block seller here. I think we go higher, but let's see what we get here. Is everybody good? If you guys want to hold them, your prerogative. We'll take the easy one. Let's see what we've got here. I don't see any big buyers in the previous candle. Nothing. 127 net. I see nothing. NASDAQ doesn't know whether to hourlies are strong on the NASDAQ small time frame, not so much. My long on the NASDAQ looks like it's above 18. 17. My long is up here, guys. Unless we find some reason to get long. Shouldn't be in a hurry for a trade. We had a nice couple of pre-market ES trades. Opening trade on the ES. Nobody should be in a hurry for a trade. Let this garbage play itself out. I do like the ES longs. I have shut off the gold bot. I've shut it off. NASDAQ is not going to get another trade today, does it? We may. Who knows? It's early. Here comes VWAP tag. You can short NASDAQ into VWAP about 9 or 10. It'll give you 10 handles. You should consider, yeah. I'll trade, listen, I don't mind trading ES. I've, largely stayed away from it because it's usually so dang slow and it just kills me. I mean, it kills me. 2 handles, 3 handles, 1 handle, especially in the slower months. I'd rather rip my teeth out with pliers. We need to, in my opinion, we've got to tag VWAP, and that may happen on the next 10-minute bar, which is coming up here in 30 seconds. There's VWAP tag. There's our tag. If anybody took that trade, there's your VWAP tag. Now, what's not looking attractive is if we come down through this swing here at 900, we're probably going to see 850. Nice job, Steve. Very nice. We're set up to fail here on the ES. We're pushing our level higher up. Now, this doesn't have to fit. We have a lower high inside bar, but if we can get through the swing here and take out the high of the day, we're good. If you're still in the ES. If not, NASDAQ is long to VWAP to 970. It's probably where it's going. ECB's Lagarde monitoring the situation. I don't see any size, man. None. None. ECB will implement all sanctions decisively. That's our big buyer, 94. I don't see anything bigger than that. Nothing. Nothing. Nationalists, Putin saying nationalists are bringing weapons into Ukraine city. Russia saying that Ukrainian nationalists are using civilians as cover. He is ready to take whatever action is needed for stability. We're short. This candle, no, it's a 5 minute. I don't have my 30 range up. We're short, fellas. We're coming down. I'll short below this 900. It's going to want to hold 900, but we've lost most of the buyers. I couldn't set my Dom. This is going to fail. Slowly, but it's going to fail. 137 seller right at 900. 137 seller at 900. There you go. I'm trying to get you guys into these trades. Target now on this, if you shorted below that second swing down here, target is 65, 67, 67. See if I can get it. Move back up in here to 99, 98. No. I put on 2. Putin said his servicemen are acting bravely and heroically. Come on, they're going after a bunch of farmers with pitchforks. I mean, seriously, what's he talking about, this clown? 67, target 1. Come on, you know you're coming. If you guys want to take risk off, take it off. Hate when I miss my targets. You guys want your money? Take it. I'm out. I'm out. I'm not doing what I did yesterday. Turn a $2,000 winner into a $2,000 loser and then have to trade out of a hole. Popped up to 12. No bot trades, guys. I think we can fall back to 8-12 eventually. We're trying to come through VWAP. Now that they've run everybody from overnight out. This is worth a trade if we can get. ES is hanging in there nicely. If NASDAQ can get its sea legs, I think we're good. 46. All right, guys. I will try this on a pullback long. I guess I'm not going to get 15. So much for that. We're going to trade to 50 now. We're going to 69. Damn it. We're going to 69. Here come the buyers. Block buyer here. Give me the pullback. Come on, give me a buyer. Give me a chunk. All right, guys, that's my long 57. Call it 58. 58. You can take it here aggressively. But I like it better through that 58 swing, 57 quarter. All right, we have a bot trading crude, 100 block seller. We have a bot trade in crude. French financial minister saying SWIFT is the financial nuclear weapon. 42 tick first target. That is obscene. Seriously obscene. $800 buyers, kind of, yutzing around in here. Next candle is in. It's a big move. Minute and 10 seconds. We're back above VWAP, so we've got to, oil flows through the southern part of the Ukraine are continuing as usual. Meanwhile, we're killing your citizens and taking over your country. But let the money flow. It's all about the money. All right, guys. That's 58, call it. 58. There's 58. We should find buyers up here. We're going to call target 1 right about here. Right about here, 68 to 70. We're going to call target 1. So I sold 1. And now we're going to call target 2, 988. 988. $988, or as you see fit for your accounts. Trade them for your accounts, fellas. Not mine, not anybody else's. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Didn't get there? No worries. Hourlies are good. Small time frames are jocking around. Still like the longs, but the small time frames could give us a serious pullback. 98 buyer here. Again, I don't see anything that I'm enthusiastic about. And 102, they bought them again at 69.75. Hourlies are good. We're pushing pivots. Right? We're pushing yesterday's close, yesterday's high at 83. Bunch of news coming. All right. NASDAQ's failing. Russell's hanging in there. I'm shutting bots off at this point, guys. I'm shutting them off. I'm done for the day. That includes closing out the trade in crude oil. I'm done. I'm done with the bots. Okay, Deepak. I don't have time right now to enter a trade. Let's see where my SPY is. Nothing. We're setting up to come down again. See how we're pulling VWAP up? See how we're pulling everything here up? Yeah, RTY. I just shut it off. RTY bot shorted. Got first target. My bots are off. My bot, I was at 32 something. I'm at 23.65. My goal on Fridays is just to be green and get gone. 23.65. 48, 58, 68. It's about a $7,000 week for me on the bots. They're done. They're done. I'll go over all the bot trades. Can't get the small time frame to get any traction. We're chunking around in the small time frames. You know, the bigger time frame is good, but I can't get nothing really here. See if we get a pullback, guys. NASDAQ, if you want a NASDAQ short, you're going to get a short. You'll probably get a short about 923. Back down into VWAP. I like it below 07. So if you took the 23, your first target might be 12. There it is. You take the 07, I'm looking for a first target at 92.75, give or take. 92.75. So if you took the 23 on the candle failure, it's got to push through 900 again. France is willing to use all financial weapons against Russia. Target one hit and filled. Target one hit and filled. Bombing them, baby. Bombing them. Maybe that's a poor choice of words. We're getting after them, guys. I'll move stop down to, I'm going to lock in here at 94.75. Thank you, Jeff. Probably should be at 900, but if it goes through 95, it's going to the whole number. If we can take this swing here, this is going to get murderized. You're going to get murderized, Rock. Come on, baby. Thanks, Chuck. Nice job. Yeah, 30 bucks away from your daily goal. That's a good quit. That's a good quit. You know how many times I've been within $100 of my goal? Gotten roasted. All right, so we've got a obvious some obvious support down here, right? Basically in here. I think if we break through 71, we're going to get trounced. So that trade worked from both trades, right? The 23 short, great trade. 7 short, depending on, doesn't matter where you sold it, you got targets. Is everybody good? Everybody keeping up? Hourly is starting to fail. Everybody good. Everybody keeping up. If this goes, you can probably target 12. Guys, I'm going to throw a lottery ticket on. 1. It's a lotto. Targeting 812. We're holding some support on the daily, which is what's holding us up. Need to break down below. We've got to get below. We got to get below about 48. This is a lottery ticket, fellas. If it goes to 12, it's a great trade. Got to get this swing here, and I think we go, go, go. Not bad for a lotto ticket. Trade them as you see fit, fellas. We're trying to hold some daily support. NASDAQ is holding the top of the 10-minute cloud. If we actually came to the bottom of the cloud. We need to get below 40 and this thing gets roasted. Below 40, it's roasted. Small negative delta now. Sold everything back. They'll buy them up again, would be my guess. Yep, 40. Yeah, I'm looking for the long around 73 if we tag it, Caleb. Seller here at the point of control. We should get 31. We should get down to the 68 level. Should. Come on, take that swing. We cracked it. Come on. Let's get 32, 31, 32. Tagged it to the damn tick. Tagged it. All right, guys. So what I really want to get, if I can, and this will wrap it up for me if we get this. 813. 813. Trade them as you see fit, though, guys. Take your money if you want it. It's a nice trade. We've pulled everything higher. Support is all getting yanked higher. I have no. Why are you bid? This should be. Come on, a free fall down to that 13. Let's go. Free fall. Small net sellers, guys. I mean, it's, they sold everything back. One minute to the next 5-minute bar. All the way down, all the way up. Now small green on the delta. 25 seconds. Next 5-minute bar. I'd like to see that next bar form below the point of control and then zip it down. They hit them here again at 50. They're selling 50. There we go. Below. Oh, there we come on. Let's go. I'm out. Didn't get my trade. Don't really care. Don't really care. They're just hanging in there. I'm not ready or interested in longs yet, guys. I still think we have a bit to fall. You guys all good? Everybody good? Okay. You can take the long here. 83. Yeah, we run into 87. There it goes. Thank you, Johan. I misjudged that. Continuation trade. Pull back into 83. If you guys want to try the long right here, you can. Better entry now. Target 1 is going to be 99, 98. So an 83, 84, 85 to 98. And then if we get back over the whole number, we should zippity-doo-dah. Again, trade them as you see fit. Come on, stink face. 920 is our final target. 920. Push here, here, here. Come on. 90. We should get it. We should get it. Got it. Buyers coming in. All right, fellas. Maybe this is the one. Maybe she's the one. Crawl through VWAP. Here come the buyers, guys. Yeah, this might be the one. I'll get off the bus at 22. There it is. Not quite. I said 22, not 21 quarter. 22. 22. I'm done. This may still keep going, but that's the target I had. And actually I have a 967. Everybody good? Guys? I mean, we're whacking them up. Got them long, got them short. Well, we're longs, Paul. We're longs. ES came to 80. You're welcome, Chris. take a look around, guys. YM was a nice trade if anybody took that. I doubt anybody did. ES. I like ES. Thank you, Ozzy. You know, guys, listen. They get me on occasion. There are days when, I get bounced. Gold is a real nowhere man. I can only watch so much. I missed this continuation. Great pivot here, and I missed the continuation move up at about 95. We're back to that 50. I gave away a dump truck full of ticks, I guess. 2,000 net buyers. We're not looking for shorts. We are not wanting shorts. I think the shorts are done. We're going to have a little bit of a problem here on this trend line, but once we get above 983, as they would say in the South, I'm fixing to wrap her up. Nice job, Dan. Up $2,000. I'm going to go over trades today, guys. Here are the bot trades for the day. Bearing in mind that I shut them off early today. Hang on, guys, 1 second. All right. Gold's first trade, 6:24 a.m., all targets hit. Trade number 2, 7:30 a.m., target 1 hit only, target 1. 7:54, targets 1 and 2 hit and filled. It actually hit 3, but again, my ATM is targets 1 and 2. All right. Now, I don't have this trade. My bot was off. Right? I told you guys I was shutting my bot off. I shut it off. Okay? But that would have been trade number 4, a winner to first target only. A winner to first target only. This would have been trade number 5. It has neither gone to a loss or a target. So we'll see how that plays out for statistics for the week. Here is the ES. This will be done in 8 minutes. No trades on the ES today. Okay, nothing on the ES. Here is the Russell. Oof, boy, oh boy, I missed some trades. All right. So for me, the Russell, I got no trades. I turned the bot off. This is trade number 1, all 3 targets and then some. My day could have been much bigger. So trade number 1 is a winner. That occurred at 9:53. Trade number 2 would have been a loser. Trade number 3, a monster winner. All 3 targets and then some. So the Russell would have been 2 for 3 today. Let's do the ugly one now. Crude would have been a problem. Trade number 1, which the bot did take at 9:48, was a losing trade. Trade number 2, it flipped into a short. My bot was off. Another losing trade. Trade number 3, a third losing trade on crude today. Missed first target. Geez, 40 ticks is just really a big target. And then, so 3 losing trades on crude. And then the last one was a winning trade, 37 ticks. Nice job, Sam. Nice job. Okay, so that's crude. Last but not least is the NAS-Crack-A-Lackey. Trade number 1, losing trade. Trade number 2, winning trade to both targets. Trade number 3, winning trade to both targets, and actually would have gotten third target as well. And then trade number 4 was a winning trade, which I didn't take. My bot was off. Okay, so 3 and 1. So for statistics, you're up 39.90 on the bots and turned them off at 8:45. Nice job, John. Nice job. Here is my bot total. 2365 green, which gives me 4812.50 plus 2365, 7177.50 for the week. 7177.50 on the week, guys. Anybody have any questions?